Hello guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how this ShiFT red drone, how it performed in the windy condition. It's not really extremely windy, but right now you can see it's a little bit windy and we're flying in a low light, so you guys can see exactly, because this is how camera suffers in low light in the windy condition. And you're gonna see the stabilization on the camera mechanical isn't good enough, and then you guys can go ahead and see it for your own, to see it. This one right here is 720p on the smartphone, captured recording, and then now you can see here this is 1080p from the SD card. This is from SD card from ShiFT red drone. Right now you can see it's shaking, and now I'm back here in the phone recording again, just letting you guys know that. And like I said, now you guys can go ahead and see how the quality in this drone is. This gonna be competitive to Ryze Tello drone. I mean, this is $300, guys, and I'm showing you guys right now. Hopefully they're gonna do a firmware update. The drawback about this camera on this ShiFT red drone is the fact that there is no EV that you can change the, if you want to make it low light or higher, so you can actually make this a little bit more brighter. Alright guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and fly the Ryze Tello here, and you guys can go ahead and see, so you guys exactly know what I'm talking about here, to make it easier. Anytime you fly, or not saying a cheap drone, it's just you don't have no stabilization on the camera, especially in low light. See, now you guys can go ahead and see, especially flying in this condition. This right now with the Ryze Tello, this is a 720p camera. All right, you guys see that right now, and you see how stabilized it is. I mean, it's butter smooth. So is the ShiFT red drone gonna be compared to this? And it's gonna be an interesting one for $300. I mean, Ryze Tello, you can get them now for like $79 to $80, maybe to $100. You can get it for $120. You can get the whole combo for $300. You can buy yourself a Spark, a DJI Spark. If it's not, you can get yourself a Mavic Mini, DJI Mavic Mini. So you guys are gonna go ahead and see over here the EV. You see that for a Ryze Tello? This is what I'm talking about. The ShiFT red drone don't have that. You see this right now? Look at that. I just made it bright. So this is the key winning of a camera here. If you have this in your camera, that means you got better options. See, right now I'm in the low light. I can make it brighter, or I can make it darker if I want to, depending on the lighting outside. So I don't know if ShiFT drone has that, or they're gonna do a firmware update, or maybe it's automatic. But to me, man, it's I don't know. So you guys tell me. Again, I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and tell me what you guys think about these two drones.